So my wife bought me this keg cooler. It was from Costco. It's for my birthday, so I am pretty excited to crack this open and get it all running. I already removed the straps, and then you just have to lift the box off. It came in pretty rough shape. Thank you, Costco. I hope nothing's damaged. Yeah. Some scratches on it before I even open it. Okay, well, that's it. It said it came with the shelving in case you wanted to just use it as a fridge as well. And these look like the top rails. Owner's manual. And everything else that's in here. Okay. That is our main coupler. Nope. This is the pressure valve. Pressure valve, which I believe is going to go on the back between the CO2 tank and the lines in. Okay, what's in the box? More styrofoam. Okay, here's our tank. It comes uncharged, and the mounting bracket mounts on the back of the fridge on this unit. Wheels. We got wheels. Our spill plate. What do you call it? All our hoses. Okay, here's our actual. Oh no, that's our. This actually attaches to the keg. I don't know anything about these things, so I don't know all the proper terminology for everything here. But that attaches to the top of the keg. This would be the tower. Tower and hose. Okay. The hose, second hose, probably from the tank to that coupler or a valve system. Ooh, a lot of washers. Gaskets and the top of the spigot. And that's it for that box. Next, I guess I actually read the manual and we see where we go from there. Front casters have brakes. This is the tank support. This is pretty straightforward. It just hangs on here. Locks in place. The tank does not come charged, but I'm still going to go through this whole installation process. This is like a spare O-ring that it came loose in the box with. There's one also attached here. It goes in here before you attach it to your CO2 tank. I'm going to get a pair of channel locks or a crescent wrench and tighten this down properly. Okay, next, apparently we remove this rubber cap, but we hold on to this in case we just want to use it as a fridge one day and we want to cover that back up. This is my gas line here. It gets fed from the inside out. That should be fun. zip tie or some type of small clamp on here just to really. It was pretty tough getting on though. I'm pretty sure it's airtight, but. Okay, so next apparently this is removed but saved in case you need it for later with this guy. See, you don't have to use this washer, but why would I not use the washer is my question. I think one of the first upgrades, if anything, will be a nice new handle for here. Well, that's it for now. It comes with a whole maintenance kit and plastic if you want to reverse the doors. A bunch of extra O-rings and stuff, everything for this spigot. I'll hold on to that. So, gotta go get a keg. And I gotta take this and get it filled. Kinda cool. Maybe I'll start collecting those. So, I've already tightened this down. Tighten this down. Now, just twist her on. Pull. Now we just wait for it to cool down. It said between 8 and 10, so I'll just keep an eye on that. It has a pretty good little system here. You can adjust right here, and it's got a little locking mechanism there. Pretty neat. Probably too early to be doing this. I haven't let this sit long enough, but I'm too excited. Using my birthday mug. Yeah, pretty foamy. Okay, it's been a couple months since I got this Kegerator from Costco, and I'm on my third keg of beer. The first was a 20 liter, second was a 30 liter, and this time I went for the full size 58 liter. Pretty happy, I gotta tell you.